Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you quickly a very nice feature that we have on Cemantica, the advanced search for the insights. So you have a library of insight that you have created, with the different journeys inside your environment. And now you are mapping on this master cook journey and you would like, to get one insight that was a pain that you've created on the different journeys. So then you have two ways to do it. You can go into the library of insight and type some keywords. So I'm typing some keyword. I know it's about the website. So here, and then I can look up all the insights with this keyword. I can go to the next step with the advanced search. So here you can go to your insight types. So I'm going to select the pain. I can select the persona. I know that the insight I'm looking for, I've created it on the ABC journey here. So I'm selecting the ABC journey, and it's an insight that was created for the website. Okay, here we go. I have three here, and here is the one I was looking for. Okay, I can add the selection, and here we go. I have my insight that has been created with my advanced search. Okay, very easy. So if you want to have more information on the Cemantica platform, you can go to cemantica.com or write us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.